Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys. So this is Trifoglio. Alright, so before moving on to the unboxing, just show you guys I've prepared some items on the table. There are some coins, a SIM card and a SIM card pin. So you will understand more why I have prepared these items and when I unbox the watch itself. Without further ado, let me show a wristwatch check. I'm wearing my Tudor Pelagos left-hand drive. Having this for about a week now. Where we are doing an unboxing video soon. But nevertheless, let's move on to the unboxing. So what we have here is a very nice cardboard design in red, yellow and green. So they have a QR code right here. I believe this is towards direct you towards the website. So we have the pouch and the watch here. Okay, let's put this aside here. Okay, so what you have here is actually the warranty card from Trifoglio. Okay, there is a 2 years warranty, and because this is lent to me by Trifoglio themselves, they do not have any date of purchase and reference number right here. But nevertheless, thank you so much for lending me this watch for this review. I really do appreciate you giving me the opportunity and chance to review. Okay, let's put that there. So very nice pouch from them. Utility pouch that we can use. We can have a carabiner here to hook on to our pants or maybe some accessories. But very nice camo design. Pouch that is useful. Not like any other boxes that we usually keep inside the cabinet and we totally forget about it. So this is actually quite a practical gift. Okay, so without further ado, let me take out the watch. It's very cool. You can see it comes with black tan. So this is the watch itself. So as you can see, this is a Trifoglio Vault. Okay, let me just pull out the crown and adjust the time so you can see the red. Let's set it around 150. Okay, so this is the Trifoglio Italia Vault. Okay, let me go through some specifications for you first. This is at a diameter of 41 millimeters. Okay, 316L stainless steel case. Okay, the crystal is K1 mineral. Alright, so what we have on the dial is enamel with applied luminous markers, sweeping second hands as you can see. But you can see that the beat rate is pretty slow. And this is the part where I bring in the movement, which is a Seiko VH31. I do not have any experience with this, but this is actually a quartz watch. So they are trying to mimic automatic watch with that beat rate. So you can see it's beating away instead of ticking it by each second. So what you have here is Italian leather, very nice vintage looking Italian leather, nicely finished on both ends, and there is a signed buckle. Oh, it's this way, Trifoglio. Yep. Okay, so with that we have a back, red color packing, red color backing I would say. Yep. And we have a water resistance of 5 ATM. Okay, this is the Vault Seiko VH31. So this is a really cool watch. And you can see the reason why it's being so thick, right? It's actually because there is something unique right underneath this watch. So what you have here, which is the Vault, is actually can push this up. And yeah, you can put some items inside, so you can see actually it's polished inside, but it's super cool. So I have not measured the thickness of this yet, but it's pretty thick, but I would say it's just nice as a pick of the thickness. So you can see there's a polished crown, Trifoglio as the brand. Okay, so it's not screwed down. As you can see, I can actually turn this freely. So it's a spring-loaded mechanism at the side. So what you can have here is you can open up and put something important inside. So you can grab it on your wrist when you want it. So I think it's pretty cool to have something like this. Maybe they could have something engraved at the back I think that would be pretty awesome. Even if you want to put a small picture at the back, yeah, I think it would be pretty cool. It's a little bit like the Hunter case that we have, but this time I guess it's more storage. So with that, you can feel a little bit of magnet, a little bit. But from what I heard from the founder is that this magnet is too weak to actually affect the watch movement itself. So it's very cool, super cool feature that we have here. I don't see this on any watch that I've come past. This is the first time I'm having experience with this. So I just want to give you guys because this is a 41mm watch, right? Just want to give you guys roughly an idea what you can fit inside. So here comes all the tools that I prepared at the side. So we can have this pin here and still got some space to move. We can have a SIM card. That's pretty cool. So if you want it, you can just take it out, point on the wrist, and that's it there. I have no idea why you want to keep your coins there, but maybe for some luck or some things that you can keep inside. You can keep $1, no issues. Maybe 2. Yep. So the thickness you can see, 2 is no issue. Maybe I can put a coin. So I think for another 10 cents is stretching it. So let me take that out. Yeah, so $1.50, you can close it properly. So if you need quick change, you can pop up your watch. $1.50, go grab a drink. So I think this is really very cool. So super cool watch by Trifoglio, the Vault. So I just want to share with you guys, they have a few different variations of this watch. You can have it with, if I'm not wrong, you can have it with beige loom, a bit more vintage style. They do have one that is in green. The indices is in green. And last but not least, they have one that is in gold applied indices. So that's pretty cool. But the whole idea of this watch is that it's very clean looking. There's no date, just the watch movement itself. And it's ticking, so it kind of gives you the accuracy and also the automatic movement feel. And I think one important feature about this is that you may need medication on the go. For some reasons, you may need to pop a pill now and then if something happens. Maybe that will help. Yep. So you can just step it in there. It's a little bit, thickness-wise, it's a little bit thick, but I think the usability is there, the practicality is there. When you really have an essential part of something that you really need to keep inside your watch, and you can really keep this inside and you do not need to worry about anything. You can have a pill inside. I think I'm trying to find more use cases here because this is really unique and I'm not sure what I can really put inside. But yeah. So maybe I think when you're traveling, SIM card works exceptionally well with a pin. Usually we forget to bring this. Maybe this can be a very nice travel watch for your day-to-day activities. You can have this here. Okay, you can have some coins, maybe some change. Okay, so this is the Trifoglio watch. Very cool looking watch. It's super cool. First time I'm experiencing, so I'm pretty excited. Yeah. So this is quite a fidget spinner as well. Sorry, I don't want to spoil this watch because it's kindly lent to me. But yeah, it's quite fun that you can actually play with this. I think it will be quite a conversation starter if you really bring this out to a watch gathering or some sharing with your friends. Okay, so nevertheless, let me take out my watch and I'll wear this on my wrist. My wrist is 6.75, so just slightly below 7 inches. Just want to show you guys the thickness. Okay, so I think one of the ways is we can put it side by side. Yeah, in this way. Okay, so I think the Pelagos is about 14 mm thick. So I guess this is little bit thicker. But because they don't have a bezel, it actually feels much smaller on top. But at the side, you can see it's roughly quite thick. It's just a little bit thicker, I feel. Okay, nevertheless, let me put this on and show you guys how it looks like on my wrist. Okay, yeah, I still think this is a super cool watch to have, to bring around for some practicality if you really need to keep something inside your wrist, on your wrist in fact. Okay, let me just put this on. Okay, nicely fitted. Oops, accidentally hit the camera. Okay, so it's actually pretty light because I think it's quartz, but you can see with a wrist roll, super cool looking watch. And if I really need something, it's boop, and I get it. And I think it has a very nice click sound. It feels good. So maybe my son asked me to put a coin there. Yeah, I think this is getting to me. This is really cool. I never thought that I would actually enjoy playing with this. Okay, good thing is that it's not really fidgeting my wrist. I think the mechanism is pretty well made. This is freaking cool. Okay, so it wears well. As you can see, not much gap. I believe the lug to lug should be around 50. So super cool watch. A little bit thick on the side, but I guess when it comes to essential needs, you will need it there. You need you won't the thickness will not affect you. So polish inside, brush on the case. Yeah, I think this is a super interesting watch to own. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I guess I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Cheers. Alright, yet again I forget to do a loom shot, so here is it. Okay, loom shot. Okay. Pretty cool loom on all the indices and hands, and that should do about it for this video. Thanks guys.